Hello guys and welcome to SOP Academy. So in this new video we have off-campus hiring notification from two companies. The first company is Tata Elxsi and the second company is Finoit. So both are hiring for 2021 and 2022 batch. So watch this complete video to know about the eligibility criteria and how to apply. So first we will start with Tata Elxsi. So as you can see, Tata Elxsi is hiring for 2021 and 2022 batch students only. The qualifications required are BE BTech, ME MTech, MS, MCA or MSc with zero backlogs and no more than 1 year gap. Only 1 year gap will be allowed. Minimum percentage criteria 60% or 6 CGPA across your 10th, 12th and graduation. So these branches are eligible to apply like computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, instrumentation, information science, embedded cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning and many more. So those who qualify will be invited to 120-minute online proctored test. So if you are qualified to give this exam, then you will have a 2 hour long proctored test, which will comprise of verbal, analytical, and coding MCQs, and there will be a coding section as well. It will be conducted on all Saturdays. So exams are conducted on Saturdays from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. You will be notified well in advance about the test and interviews. So one thing to note is only those who have not taken the Tata Elxsi test in the last 6 months are eligible to apply. So this is the form. You have to fill out this complete form, and at last you can submit this. And if you are found eligible with according to this criteria, then you will soon receive the test link. The second company is Finoit. Finoit is hiring for the role of software trainee developer. The location is going to be Noida. Currently, it is work from home. Number of openings are 25. So apply as soon as possible. Compensation or the package they are offering is 3.8 LPA, but it can be upgraded to 4.2 LPA if you have excellent performance in the first 6 months. The training will be for 6 months. The qualification required are BE BTech from computer science, IT, and ECE branch. The percentage criteria is 60% and above in your 10th, 12th, and BTech. The pass out batch of only 2021 is eligible. To apply, you have to click on apply now. So this is something about the company. Finoit is a US and India based business IT company. So you can read about it. It works in the field of enterprise services and IoT, web and mobile application development. So the job description is given. Finoit is looking to recruit software developers with the qualification BE BTech as already mentioned. Joining will be given in April to July. So next year your joining will be in April to July. Uh, and training will be provided to the shortlisted candidates in the respective domain chosen by Finoit. So any domain can be given to you and you will be trained on it. Interview process is given, the salary and training and service agreement. So first let us look at the service agreement. At the time of joining, the candidate must sign 2 years of service agreement and a check of rupees 1.5 lakhs needed to be submitted. So this is the service agreement. You will give us a check of 1.5 LPA and you will have to be in the company for 2 years. The salary and training, as already mentioned, 6 months, 3.8 LPA. The interview process will be as follows. First round, as already mentioned, 120 minutes of MCQs and coding. Then there will be three sections in the first round. That is, first section is going to be single choice MCQs, aptitude and logical reasoning, 20 questions. You will have 30 minutes. Section 2 is going to be single choice programming and database questions. There will be 10 questions for 15 minutes. And the last section is going to be coding round. You will get 2 questions and you will get 75 minutes to solve the coding questions. Second round will be a technical interview, face to face with technical panel, and third round is a HR interview. So this is all about the hiring from Finoit. The links for both the companies are in the description. You can click on the link and apply.